How to get access to Facebook Marketplace. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update your Facebook app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Facebook and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of Menu. After you land to the menu page, at the top right corner, you'll find the settings icon. Click on it. Once you land to the settings and privacy page, at the top right corner, you'll find the search icon. Click on it. Now over here, you'll find the search bar. Type in navigation bar over here and then search for it. After option of navigation bar appears, just click on it. With that, you'll land to this page. Now click on the option of customize the bar. Now over here, you will find two sections, available and hidden. Under hidden section, you will find the option of marketplace. Click on this drop down of hidden and then set it to pin. After you do that, marketplace will appear at the bottom of your screen. You can see that. So this way you can easily get access to your Facebook Marketplace. But in the case this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is click on this menu option. After you land to the menu page, scroll down, click on the option of help and support. Now click on the option of report a problem. Now click on continue to report. Click on don't include. Now from here, select the option of Marketplace. And over here, you have to explain about your issue that Marketplace option is not available in your Facebook and then send it. After you submit this, Facebook support team will get back to you and with that, your problem will be fixed. After you submit this, Facebook support team will get back to you. And by this, you will get access to Facebook Marketplace. So this way, you can easily get access to Facebook Marketplace. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.